It's my new home. We just gotten the keys, and we're gonna do like major renovation to the house.
So what is the renovation vibe that you're going for?
Don't know. My wife will decide. Eh, here's my wife. Yeah. So like people ask why buy so deep in, right?
Yeah.
Because behind got no house. Single loading fashion.
This is Anna catching the cockroach.
Do you need like... You got the swap.
No, oh my god. Wait, that means just now when we filmed there, I walked past the cockroach.
A few moments ago.
Disgusting. 做 social media manager 也是要看到 cockroach 啊。
There is quite a huge ass wall here. So the only concern is don't know whether 看得到那个电视机嘛 like, because of so far. So I don't know.
You helping Marcus clean the house ah?
You see got hands behind, you see? Hey, got squirrel, a lot of animals here. You got pie. Cookie! Then the videographer will walk through.
Zina is like judging you so badly right now.
That's my unique selling feature.
Unique selling point.
Old man trying to act cute.
3, 2, 1, go. To babe, your butt is so nice. Help me open. Okay. Yeah, go, open. Whoa!
Shout out to the owner. Please come and knock on my door. My son will love to play on the trampoline. Trampoline! Morning, like you wake up, then you just want to do some stretching. You can come here and enjoy the fresh air. Fresh air? I don't know what you call that. Maybe you can do yoga.
If a monkey would just like come into your house.
I don't mind having satay for dinner.
Monkey meat?
Monkey meat. No, never tried before. Monkey brain maybe.
That's gross.
I'm not scared of monkey. Last but not least, where the magic happens. Come. It's like a torture chamber. Huh? Like, are you ready to die? Are you ready to pay for your sins?
No.
What the f? Okay, I see you downstairs. See you in hell. Die! Okay, so this is the basement. Think what I stupid.
Not fun one.
Yeah, legit got frog there. And a tiny toad. It's a freaking tiny toad. Yeah! What the frick, so many? Only meh? forgot.
Fine.
There's a tiny toad.
I guess Marcus has a new pet now.
Where's the toad? Oh, yeah, sorry. No, there's another one there.
Oh my god, later I step on one. They are like blending into the floor.
怎样？抓一只来吃。
Am I blind? 可以吃了咩？这样小只？
把你嘴巴吞下去再吃来啊！
Jesus.
Whether you stop the cockroach already, you like this eh. That one not scary, okay?
Bruh. I have no idea what.
A few moments ago.
No, my god.
Okay, get out, undo view. I'm turning right.
Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters.
You are filming it?
Yeah, why?
The table was left behind by the owner. They say that this is very good quality and it's legit. I cannot. See, very heavy. The chair is very heavy. The chair is so heavy, like throw at you, you'll die. So anyway, just kidding. It's good stuff. So if you're interested in such good quality teak table, round table, like I can sit on 8 or 10, right? Then you just let me know. Hit me up. You can come and collect. Arrange your own transport. We'll do free of charge.
Water running now.
Don't you care?
You got money, can now.